too good. I feel.
Bird, I thought we were over this. We're going shopping. I didn't give them my email address. We got this cute little card that said Ryan's mommy. We are back home. I'm making a bagel. I changed into comfy clothes. And we are trying to figure out where we want to hang the painting. We also got a vase. Here is my bagel. I used herb butter and cream cheese. And here is the vase. It's not waterproof, tight, sealed. So we have a little vase to go inside of it. I just ordered a frame for the painting we got, but we're debating putting it there, there, or there. We are going out to dinner now. Here's the outfit. I am back home and in sweats. I accidentally ordered the frame the wrong color, so because I'm impatient, we went to Target on the way home and got this frame. I'm gonna put the painting in it and we're gonna find a place to hang it. It is hung and it looks so good. Alright, I think that is all for today. I am doing laundry and I'm gonna fold laundry, edit this video, and go to bed. If you liked this video, like and subscribe. If you didn't, let me know in the comments.